Hello, good morning. My name is Gauri Vivek Bajaj. I am talking about the topic that is batch production. What is batch production? Batch production is widely used in industries where products need to be manufactured in specific quantities rather than continuously. It balances efficiency and flexibility, making it ideal for businesses that require variety without the high cost of continuous production. First, that is understanding the batch production process. The batch production process follows a structured workflow, that is first preparation and setup. Machines, tools, raw materials are prepared for specific batch. Second, batch of production of batch. Items are manufactured together in a batch following the same processes like quality control. Each batch is inspected before moving to the next step. Batch completion and change over, after finishing one batch, machines and setups are adjusted for the next batch. Types of batch production. First is manual batch production, involves human labor with limited machine assistance, common in handmade crafts, bakery goods and small scale clothing production. Semi automated batch production, matches machines assist in the processes, but human works handle setup and supervision, used in pharmaceuticals, textiles and food processing. Third is fully automated batch production. Machines handles the entire batch production with minimal human intervention, used in electronics manufacturing, chemicals and automobile production. Third is the real world examples of batch production are food industries, textile and apparel industry. In food industry, the chocolate production, factory produces a batch of dark chocolate bars, then switches to milk chocolate. Soft drinks, a plant produces a batch of cola, then shifts to making orange soda. In textile and apparel industry, shoe manufacturing, a company makes 1,000 pairs of black shoes before switching to white shoes. T-shirt printing, a factory prints 500 t-shirts with a specific design before switching to another design. Pharmaceutical industries, vaccine production, a production of flu vaccines is produced before switching to COVID-19 vaccines. Tablet manufacturing, a batch of painkillers is made before producing vitamin tablets. Automobile industry, luxury car models, limited edition cars are produced in small batches before regular production resumes. Motorcycle manufacturing. In motorcycle manufacturing, a factory makes 500 motorcycles of specific color before changing to a new color. Electronics industry, smart mobiles, laptops. In smart mobiles, we can say a company produces 10,000 black smartphones before switching to blue phones. In laptop, a manufacturer assembles one batch with Intel processors before switching to AMD processors. Fourth is advantages and disadvantages of batch production. What are the advantages of batch production? More efficient than job production, faster than making products individually, flexibility in product variety, easily switch between different designs or types, better quality control, like defective batches can be identified and corrected, cost saving, like produces goods at lower cost than job production. What are the disadvantages? In disadvantages, we can say that the setup time and downtime. Machines need to be adjusted between the batches. Storage requirements. Finished batches need storage space. Risk of wastages. If one batch has defects, a larger number of products might be wasted. The less efficient than mass production. Slower and costlier than continuous production. Fifth, the batch production versus the other production methods. When to use the batch production? Batch production is ideal when the demand is moderated and not too high or too low. Variety in products is needed. Example like the different flavors, colors or models. Cost control is important, but the full scale automation is not necessary. Quality control is a priority. Future of batch production. With advantages in automation and AI, batch production is becoming more efficient. Smart factories now use robotics and AI driven quality control to reduce downtime and defects. 3D printing. What is 3D printing? It allows the batch production of custom designed products with minimal setup time. Information technology and AI. Smart machines can adjust setting automatically for new batches, reducing setup time. Sustainable manufacturing companies are using batch production to reduce waste and energy consumptions. Talking about the conclusion of my batch production is, the batch production is a versatile and cost effective method for manufacturing good in controlled quantities. While it may not match the speed of mass production, its flexibility and quantity control advantages make it suitable for industries requiring the varieties and customization. With new technologies improving efficiency, batch production remains an important method in modern manufacturing. Thank you.